Yeah. Today is a good day. I'm feeling like $1,000,000, you know what I'm saying? The kid got the fresh fade, man. You know, my boy Dre be having me looking right, man. You know what I'm saying? I got the fresh fade. You know, today gonna be a beautiful day, though, man. Look, I got my change in my bag. You know what I'm saying? People be wondering why I always got Crown Royal bags. If you see me with a Crown Royal bag, I got liquor in it sometimes, but a lot of times when I'm in the car, I have a whole bunch of change and I put them in them bags though. Look at all my change, man. And this bag right here, let me turn it around. That's a Crown Royal bag too. This bag right here got about, Crown Royal sponsor me, but yeah, this bag got about, I got about $5,000 of change. Now, I got a little change in this bag, but I'm out here cooling today, man. I'm finna turn in these coins. I got too many coins in my bag. And yeah, man, I just got me some more mailbox money today. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Hold on. Where my check at? There you go. Yeah, got me some more mailbox money. Y'all know what that is, handicap. My little royalty check came in, so I'm about to go cash that. I need that. It's recent. We just got this boy, man. Yeah, you see what it say? handicap. You know what I'm saying? We got our coins. We at the coin machine.
I get this second go crazy. I get this second go crazy. I get this second go crazy.
Going up. How much y'all think we're gonna end it? Alright, we ended at 128.19. That's not bad for some change. Hey, got my little cash ticket. There we go. Okay, so this is what we got. This is the 128. That's the change that I just put in the machine. This was at the bottom of the bag. This is a bunch of ones that I saved. You know, every time I spend money, if I get ones or some fives, I put them all in my bag. So what's left at the end of the bag was, I had a bullet in there. But we gonna keep that in there. But this is my change money. I'm gonna put all the change money back in my change bag, and I'm gonna start putting coins back in the bag again. And I keep going from there. So now we at the bank. Grab my little pen, sign the back of this check. Place your check in the tube. Put your ID in the tube. We finna get some money now. Yeah, so we got our container back. Let's see what we working with. Got an ID, gotta get that. See, man, they charged me I ain't got no account up here no more. They charged me an $8 fee. That's so whack. Charged me an $8 fee. Give me my penny. I want my penny too. Give them they canister back. They hating on me. Yeah, we got us some money. Royalty checks. No, I'm not a big time rapper, but hey, it is what it is. I can teach you something. Oh man, I've been rolling all day, pulling up to the drive-through cleaners. Drop the clothes off. Hey, how you doing? I want to dry clean the shirts. And then I got 1, 2. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for riding with your boy, man. We done rode today. What we gonna do? I went and got that fresh fade. Look at the kid, yeah. Yes, sir. I went and got that fresh fade. Dropped off some coins, counted up some little coins. What else we do? We went and cashed us a royalty check. What else we do? We dropped the clothes off at the cleaners, you know. So I appreciate y'all riding with your boy Kenny, with y'all boy today, man. And I want to tell everybody out there, never let your disability be an inability. And that's how we ending this thing, man. Keep rocking with your kids. It's your boy, Young Geno, the handicap hero.
Geno, what it do?
Yes, sir.
Just a nigga in the street life.
Oh, check this out. Make sure you like, you subscribe, comment, share this video with all your people. If you don't, it's all good. If you do, I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me, man. Just like that. We out of here. Yes, sir.
Hustling, chasing money, moving all night. Wake up, go and get it. This is my life. Wake up, go and get it. This is my life. I'm just a nigga in the street life. Hustling, chasing money, moving all night. Wake up, go and